Howdy folks, welcome to another episode of uglyDogLures. Tonight we'll be doing a challenge. This is the Cody challenge. This was sent in to me by Cody. This is going to be fun. He wants all metallic paints. He picked metallic taupe. He picked metallic turquoise. And he picked metallic sapphire. And then he wants extra fine blue glitter. So folks, let's get to it and see what I can figure out to do with this thing. I've already primed this lure, folks, and this is what it's primed with, is a metallic white. It'll save us a few steps here. It's got 5 coats on it, so here we go. So I believe we'll start this party off, and we're going to paint this taupe first. See what y'all think of this taupe. It's kind of a pretty color. Little reducer in there. Get a little old stir stick over here. And kind of get that all stirred up. Ready to run through the brush. Well, I think we're doing good there, folks. Got a nice run on it. So that'll be our first color we're putting on this bait, is metallic taupe. This is going to be an interesting bait, folks. I have actually chosen a topwater bait tonight. This is a spook, what they call a spook. So that is what we're going to be painting tonight. This is a nice bait, folks. This type of bait has been around for many years. So there we go. Let's heat set that, throw another coat on that belly, and call it good. Okay, let's shoot down this belly again. Now folks, I'm not shooting this with much pressure. I'm just running about 15 pounds of pressure tonight. So, what do y'all think about that color? It almost looks like a gold, but it's definitely not. So, let's clean our brush and move on to the next color. How you feel about that? How do you feel about that, folks? I mean, my wife's being mean to me over there. She keeps sticking her tongue out at me. I think she gave me the bird a while ago, but I'm not real sure. I wasn't paying attention to her. And that may be why she gave me the bird. So folks, we finally got a little bit of rain here. Not enough. I would appreciate it if y'all would send some rain my way, because I'm getting really damn tired of putting flea collars on the catfish around here. So hopefully we can get some rain. We got a really good chance of starting tomorrow. Now if you folks would be interested in seeing the remodel on this little old shop of mine, I'm going to start doing that tomorrow. I'd rather just hang out here all day and paint lures, but I need to get this thing insulated and sheeted. So that's probably what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. No work tomorrow for me. and I'm happy about that. And folks, I've thought long and hard about this for about 9 minutes. I'm going to use the dark metallic blue first. I've been up back and forth on which one I wanted to use first, and I have decided on the dark metallic blue. And it's not going to take but a few drops of it. So it's a very pretty blue, this dark metallic. We send a lot of coastal lures with this color. So, yep, let's get her mixed up. So I'll show you what it looks like on my fingers there. See how good it's running? That means it's sprayable. Anyway, that's the way that I figure out how it's sprayable. Other people may have other methods, but you know, that's my method. So, okay, let's get our few drops of blue that we need in here. Now remember, folks, the further you get away from that bait when you're painting, the wider that pattern is going to be on that bait. And the closer that you get to that bait, the more detailed or refined line that you can run on that bait. So we just want to just barely get down this side of this bait with this color. Just keep on working that until we get it to the dark as we want it there. That's what we're going to do here. And now we're making very good progress on it. So we're going to dry that, clean our brush, and move on to the next color. But I'm going to scale this one. I got my scale material right here. Can't remember what my wife called it the other day. So I call it scale material, so y'all just bear with me. I'm old and I can get away with stuff. If you don't believe me, just ask me. Okay, folks, we got this dude all dried up, nice and pretty, this Spook, and we're gonna jump in here and we're gonna lay some scale material on him right quick and get it pulled down nice and tight, and we're gonna finish him up here pretty quick. Now we're getting this laid on, and our last color will be metallic turquoise. Now that's what I was telling y'all earlier. I've been thinking about this for about 9 minutes, and it's a challenge. So we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Hopefully it's good. I hope Mr. Cody's happy with it. If he's not, I'll charge him double. Maybe triple. He's kind of mean to old people. So folks, this is going to look pretty cool. I hate to say it, but you know, for an old fogey, I'm kind of talented. Okay, folks, we're back. Got it all dried up good, and we're going to put some eyes on it, and we're going to put some epoxy. Tonight we're going to use black eyes. I don't know why. That's just how I felt tonight. We're going to get those eyes laid up in there. See how pretty that looks. Put these back up. Lay that dude up in there. Okay, folks, we got black eyes on him now. So tonight we're going to be using the same old thing, DevCon 2-ton epoxy. I do all my lures with DevCon. Nobody will ever change my mind. I tried some of the others and I did not like them, the KBS or none of them. I don't think that you get the durability that you get with this DevCon. So that's all I'm going to say about that. So, and this young feller has chosen blue glitter. So, guess what? We're going to shine him up with some blue glitter here. Let me get my little glitter opener over here. I almost need a pocket knife. There we go. We got her open, folks. I only had to grunt twice. Okay. So as everybody knows, or if you're new to my videos, I mix my epoxy to approximate levels. This is my clear. We're doing one lure, so 1 cc. One little tiny cc here. One cc, folks. Don't know if you can see that, but that's 1 cc of clear. And we're going to pop in with 1 cc of hardener. Right, there we go. So we're going to lay it out there. We're going to put our cap back on. We're going to add our glitter. And this is called sapphire. So it's almost the same color as the paint that we used the first time. It was a sapphire blue paint on the first blue paint that we painted. So, and we're going to mix this really, really good, folks. Personally, on this lure, I wouldn't have used glitter, but this is what the young man wanted, so that's what I'm going to do. So let's keep this ball rolling here. We got her all mixed up good, folks. Our brush. Everybody knows that I pull these brushes and take any loose hairs out of them, then I tape them and I squeeze the tape around them. That way I don't get no hairs running crazy in my epoxy. Which isn't a big deal, but it is a little bit annoying to have to go in and brush hairs out of your epoxy just like that. But what we need to do sometime is just paint a lure without fixing our brush, and I'll show you what it looks like after it dries. When it has hairs in it, it's very ugly, folks. I don't like it. So y'all all know my rules. You just keep going and keep going and keep going. Folks, I hope you're having a good time watching my videos, and I hope you're learning something. Everybody learns every day. I do. So I'm having a ball doing this. I absolutely love it. It's a very big part of who I am. Looky there, folks. There we go. See that? That's what gets in your glitter, and that one was actually white, so it blended in. But there we go, folks. There's our spook, all epoxied up. we'll stick him over here on the drying rack and let him dry overnight. And we'll see what we got in the morning. I think I could fish that and do good with it. Okay folks, we're going to get the hooks put on this little bad boy. These are our drip hooks. And what this drip hook does is actually allows any epoxy that runs off of here to keep running and not just bunch up right here in the eye hook. So we got that done. Let's reach up here and put our hanging hook, and this is how we hang them. We hang them vertically, and we'll just take this, and I always reach in here and I clean that eye out. See there? There you go, folks.